Our next speaker is Rick Ramos. He's marketing and sales engineer with Eastprint. And his talk is on wearable electronics and contract manufacturing. So, with no further delay, Rick, the floor is all yours.
Thank you for the introduction, Tom. Appreciate it. Yes, so Eastprint Incorporated. We'll talk about the wearable electronics and contract manufacturing. Quick intro. I am the marketing and inside sales engineer for Eastprint. Have over 10 years of project design engineering, project management, business development. Got over to the sales side. So I've been in Eastprint for a good 2.5 years. Some big news for Eastprint was the acquisition. So East West Manufacturing acquired Eastprint mid-April last month. Further expanding the East West capabilities, and not into just box build, but also our printed electronics expertise. East West Manufacturing is a global manufacturer of solutions of service company, specializing in components, subassemblies, and finished goods. So wearable electronics, we've been 50 years in the business dealing with wearable devices and screen printed electrodes. Wearable electronics have gained significant popularity in recent years. Smartwatches and fitness trackers, ECG, EEG, augmented reality glasses, even becoming an increasingly more common. A contract manufacturer plays a crucial role in the production of wearable electronics. It enables companies to leverage specialized expertise and resources for efficient and cost-effective manufacturing process. So manufacturing capabilities, a lot of OEMs would consider ISO 9001 and 1345 kind of a standard to get into the wearable devices. 1345 being a big one, and the certifications. Specializing in wearable electronics offer a huge range of manufacturing capabilities. This includes PCB assembly, component sourcing, testing, enclosure design, manufacturing, firmware, software development, and final assembly. Most CMs have to have the necessary infrastructure and equipment to handle the complexities of wearable devices. Design support is another huge aspect. We provide custom design solutions into the mass producing the product. CMs often provide design support services to assist the complexity and optimizing of the wearable product. They can help with the product design, component selection, manufacturability analysis, ensures the final product meets the required specifications and quality standards. This collaboration helps streamline the production process, reduces time to go into the market. It's a good segue getting into the supply chain management. Obviously, a big thing happened with COVID and supply chain, and there being a kind of a step B approach to a lot of components now. To maintain the integrity of the product being into the market and no further delays. So, wearable electronics, they typically require a complex supply chain, various components and materials. CMs have established a relationship with suppliers, which is great, and which it allows a source component being competitive in pricing and ensures a reliable supply chain. They handle the procurement, so a kind of hands-off approach for the OEM, inventory management and logistics. Relieving the client of the responsibilities. Quality control, maintaining a high quality is crucial for wearable electronics. They come into direct contact with the users. and need to be reliable and safe, especially if you go through the FDA process, and can be kind of taxing. Contract manufacturers implement rigorous quality control processes throughout their manufacturing